What is up, guys? So welcome to another episode of Beyond the Hype. Today's episode is gonna be really special kasi it's our anniversary. What better way to kick off the anniversary na kundi magkita-kita kami. Sadly, wala si Dani, but what we're gonna do is nandun si Carlo, nandun si Seph. Wala si Gela rin actually, but at least yung Beyond the Hype boys magkikita-kita kami. Today's episode, since it's the anniversary, it has to be something, like we have to do something special, right? Meron kaming special guest, and that is...
What's poppin'?
So joke lang, kasama talaga namin si Dani. So that's gonna be a surprise. Hindi alam ni Carlo, ni Seph, and ni Gela. So pupunta kami ngayon ng BGC. I think si Carlo yung first na pupunta. So we're gonna see his reaction first. And then si Seph mamaya siyang 5 or 6 p.m. So tayo pupunta.
Jordan, Manila.
Yeah, punta kami Jordan, Manila kasi believe it or not, she hasn't been there, I haven't been there, Carlo hasn't been there as well. So it's gonna be a real fun thing to do. Okay, so I guess I'll catch you guys later. Bye! Saan mo gusto kumain? Yun ang nasa isip ko, gutom na ako.
Maraming masarap dun, Kev.
Hindi ko alam, parang gusto ko mag-ramen or
Oh, yeah.
Bahala na mamaya. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa Jordan, Manila, sa likod kami ng building. But imimita namin si Carlo. Palobat na tong camera ko. So gagamitin natin yung kay Dani nilang na camera for now. But we'll still be able to see his reaction sa pagdating ni Dani. We're super excited and yeah, catch you guys later. Let's go!
Dito kaya ako. Ay, wala palang daan dyan.
Ay, yun yata siya. Ay, siya ba yun? Siya yun?
Saan?
Naglalakad na kami, nasa likod namin yung coffee bean and si Carlo kasi nandun na siya. So, basta 50-50 yung chance kung masusurprise pa siya. Pero dapat manggaling kami sa likod. So yeah, let's go.
Nice to meet you! Ano, hindi ka ba na-shock sa height mo ngayon?
Tangkad ni Carlo, guys. Tangkad.
I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to...
Ayan na si Seph, guys.
We're gonna prank Seph On Air, man.
Nasaan si Seph?
Bababa ako.
Yo, Seph. Okay naman.
Uy, nakakara din gagi.
Kay Carlo to, kay Carlo.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
What the hell? Dito ka na!
Kaya ka namin pinipilit na pumunta.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ang tawin nito, may pa-surprise ko siya. Gogi, sabi ko, social naman ng grab driver niya. Naka-Mazda.
Hi guys, so ito pa rin yung episode ng Beyond the Hype. Si Seph na yung surprise namin, si Carlo na surprise namin, si Gela na lang naman namin na surprise. Sinabihan na namin si Pao, nandito raw siya sila sa lower ground floor ng, ano nga ito?
Makati Central Square.
Central Square. So, pupunta na namin siya, samahan niya na lang kami.
Let's go! Ayan, ayan. So, una ka na.
Una ako.
Like, ilan seconds?
So, una ako, siguro magbilang ka ng mga 30 seconds siguro.
Okay.
Mas makakapag-small talk na ako na.
Sige, sige.
Pasok ka 30 seconds.
Okay, game. Kunwari, nag-shopping ka lang.
Gela? Oh my God! Seryoso ka? Dito ka? Ginagawa mo dito? Oh my gosh, nag-vlog din ako eh. Hey! Surprise guys. Ayan, nandito pala. May kasama pala tayo. I had no idea. Hi, Pao!
Natatawa ko sa mga.
Meanwhile...
Okay guys, so nakapasok na si Ken. Ako na ang papasok.
Kailangan ni Paolo kasi ng mga damit for a party.
Okay.
Na wala
When
siya.
was the party?
On Friday. So like, I think ukay is the way.
Wala kasi, I was just walking.
Hi, excuse me.
Ay!
Oh my God! Bakit ka nandito? Hello! Yeah, ito yung surprise.
Ano ginagawa niya dito?
Pinano talaga namin, i-surprise ka.
Bakit sino pinipilit ka ni paano lumabas?
Kanina pa yata kinukulit, ayaw mo umalis, di ba? Stress na ako, kinakaligit.
Kala ko ano, wala lang.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle.
What?
You tell me that it's
Seryoso? Available to? Seryoso, may 60% discount?
500 na lang po.
Steal! Isa-isa?
Parang ano na natin. Yung una. Ay, dali ko yung shoes.
Kung bakit tinatawag mo kami, ganun. Ito yung box natin. Acting.
Acting na to, Dani. Ano?
Tara guys! Unbox natin to.
Sige, Dani! Unbox natin yan!
So, the sneaker we have here is the Wabi-Sabi Air Max. So, ito na, first look. Anong masasabi niyo sa box, guys?
Na-release na nung di ba, Air Max Day, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya may 326 sa side.
Bakit? 35.
Kasi 35th anniversary. Okay, check out the sneaker.
Wow! Uy, hindi ko nakita yun, ha?
Yeah, oo, ganito. Instead of yung yung Nike Air Max, nilagay nila yung yan.
So, any initial thoughts on the shoe, guys?
Meron itong insert dito, pwede mo siya i-change.
Talaga?
26 and
Parang Sean ba yan, yung belt mo siya? Inserts siya. Kasi
yeah,
parang
this
paper lang
one,
siya.
yeah.
Ayun lang, oo.
Kaya kailangan
Pwede ka mag-print ng
ng mukha
customization
mo.
nito, no?
Lagay mo mukha
ID
mo
picture.
2x2 mo. Maglagay ka ng 2x2 dito. Lagay mo sa thumb. What's like me first about the shoe din, yung sa midsole niya, parang may lightning.
Light streaks.
Light streaks na ano. It reminds me of Travis Scott in a way. Di ba yung mga shirts niya or yung mga designs niya, di ba? May mga yung gano'n, di ba? Ikaw, Carla, what do you think?
Yung stitch yung dito sa side, mapapansin nyo yung 35. So XXX and B.
Yeah,
ano?
stitch.
So that really stood out to me. Napaka subtle lang hit.
Ikaw, Seph, ano masasabi mo?
Oo, ano masasabi mo?
Pero copper drop ba kayo?
Ako ka pa. Seryoso.
Ako cup ako.
Ako cup ka na cup ka din.
Damn! Ako
Drop.
It's nice sa akin. It's nice to look at. Pero I wouldn't wear it na on a normal day.
Maki-Air Max ka nga ba in the first place?
Sean Waterspoon.
Ilan ang Air Max mo meron sa Sean Waterspoon? Oh,
But, for the record, meron akong mga Air Max before. I even had the Pendleton. Tapos yung OG na anniversary.
So yung colorway lang yun, something new.
Hindi yung material. Very ano yan eh, very...
Yeah, prone to dirt or
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's earth tone, so at least hindi siya sobrang maantag sa
Yeah.
Sinabi ko para bang Sean Waterspoon yung vibe. So you can agree to disagree, pero si Seph kasi hindi siya nag-agree. Pero si Carlo kasi sabi niya, parang Travis Scott and Sean Waterspoon.
Parang nag-mix
No,
talaga.
Parang a little bit naman. Kasi,
Hindi, pero na-mention ko kasi parang yun yung mix nila. Kasi isipin niyo yung ZX ni Sean. May magka-workwear tingnan eh. Kahit na-recycled yung vibe, I think it blends well with that one. If ever Sean decides on an earth tone sneaker, feeling ko this is like one of
something
probably
that takes a break. Yeah. And then again, sucker kasi ako sa
Gumsole?
sa gumsole pogi
Yeah.
kasi at least for me. Kasi walang masabi hindi niya talaga trip.
Hindi niya talaga trip.
Pero ikaw, Daddy, since ikaw naman nag-cup nito, are you happy with your
Yeah,
purchase naman?
super. I like yung color combination na ginamit talaga.
Pag nakita yung binenta ko yan.
Hindi.
Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for our review and first impressions, I guess, of the Air Max 1 Wabi-Sabi, yung pronunciation.
Yes,
Yeah.
Wabi-Sabi.
So let us know in the comment section below if it's a cop, if it's a drop, all that good stuff. We really wish Gela was here, but due to personal reasons, she can't be here. But this is basically again the anniversary episode of Beyond the Hype. So Congratulations to us!
Hindi pa siguro go. After 1 year, hindi
Oo
pa
nga, hindi pa rin
So,
so,
ano ba sa universe kayo? Parang kung kompleto yung apat, yung isa hindi pwede.
We were just talking about that, guys. Kasi the last time we were together, kompleto kaming lahat mapera kay Dani. Pero ngayon, nagkaiba naman si Gela naman yung wala. Tapos Sneaker Expo, pwedeng magsama-sama ulit kami. Pero wala si Seph. Kasi nasa US siya. So, di namin alam kung kailan kompleto talaga kami. I guess we'll just have to wait.
Yeah.
Okay, so paano mag-outro?
Anyway, again, I am Seph.
I'm Dani.
I'm Ken.
And I'm Carlo. Shout out to Gela Beef.
And this has been